We are childhood friends. Carlos showed me a pair of rain boots, and I said to him, you make the boots.
And you draw the story.
RITIKA is one of the best footwear brands in the Middle East.
I founded RITIKA. It's a shoe design company. It's a Lebanese brand where everything is made in-house.
Actually, I get inspired from everywhere. If I read a book, I get inspired.
I launched a collab to reposition RITIKA as a high-end brand.
They design, they manufacture with excellent craftsmanship, and I love their shoes.
Amal Azhari is an iconic fashion designer with an international recognition. It's an honor to associate our name to hers.
Which one? The one behind me? Okay, it goes to the 60s.
Together, we transformed the idea of the rain boots.
Into fashionable, trendy, artsy, must-have item of the season.
We have created 26 boots designs in all sizes.
Each design is hand-painted by a fine art student of the Lebanese University.
A way of getting the community involved.
Come to our Artsy Splash.